Exercise 3.4, question number 1. First row. Exercise 3.4, question number 1. First row. 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1. Second row. 2, 3. You have to find the inverse of a matrix by elementary transformation. I am going to do by elementary row transformation. Where I have to keep A is equal to IA. A is equal to IA. 1 minus 1, 2, 3, same order identity matrix. 1, 0, 0, 1. Check whether A11 is 1. Yes, A11 is 1. Now we have to make A1, 2, 1 as 0. A21 as 0. We have to do like this. A11, A12, A21, A22. See, this become two identity matrix. 1, 0, 0, 1. First to make this is 1. After this is 0. Then after this is 0. Then after this is 1. You have to make first A11 as 1, then A21 as 0, then A22 as 0, then A21 is 1. A21 as 1. Already we got A11 as 0. Now we have to make A12 as 0. To make A12 as 0, multiply first row by 2 and subtract from second row. That is operation R2 implies R2 minus 2R1. R2 implies R2 minus 2R1. R2 minus 2R1. 1 minus 1. 1, 0. 2 minus 2 into 1, 0. 3 minus 2 into minus 1 is equal to 3 plus 2, 5. 3 plus 2, 5. Then R2 minus 2R1. R2 minus 2 times R1. 0 minus 2 into 1, minus 2. R2 minus 2 R1, 1 minus 2 times 0, 1. So we got it. Now we have to bring this A22 as 1. How to bring A22? We can divide by second row by 5. R2 implies 1 by 5 R2. R2 implies 1 by 5 R2. One minus 1, 0 divided by 5, 0, 5 divided by 5, 1. 1, 0, minus 2 divided by 5, minus 2 by 5, 1 divided by 5, 1 by 5. Now we got 1 here. Now we have to make this A12 as 0. To make A12 as 0, we can add both the rows. R1 implies R1 plus R2. Minus 1 plus 1, 0. R1 implies R1 plus R2. R1 implies R1 plus R2. R1 implies R1 plus R2. 1 plus 0, 1. Minus 1 plus 1, 0. Minus 1 plus 1, 0. 0, 1. Then this 1 plus minus 2 by 5. 1 plus minus 2 by 5. 1 minus 2 by 5. 1 minus 2 by 5 is 3 by 5. 1 minus 2 by 5, 3 by 5. 0 plus 1 by 5, 1 by 5. 0 plus 1 by 5, 1 by 5. Minus 2 by 5. Minus 2 by 5, 1 by 5. This is becomes I. This is equal to B. This is equal to A. Therefore, A inverse is equal to B, 1 by 3, 1 by 5, 3 by 5, 1 by 5, minus 2 by 5, and 1 by 5. This is thus we have to find A inverse. We can find A inverse directly also. How to find A inverse directly? I already taught how to find inverse directly. That is 1 by determinant A. A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant A into adjoint A. The determinant A, what is determinant A? See, 3. 1 into 3, 3. Minus of minus 2, 5. 1 by 5. See, since determinant A is 5, it is a not singular, but it is the inverse axis. Into adjoint A, for 2 by 2 adjoint A, interchange the leading diagonal elements 3, 1 and change the sign of other two elements minus 2 plus 1. So 3 by 5, 1 by 5, minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 5. Now we can cross check by 2 by 2 matrix. That's it, we have to find the inverse of a 2 by 2. This is the first sum. Next second sum. Number 2. Question number 2. First row 2, 1. Second row 1, 1. First row 2, 1. Second row 2. Keep this is A. Then A is equal to IA. A is equal to IA. A is equal to 2, 1. Sorry. A is equal to A is equal to 2, 1, 1, 1, A. Then I, same order identity matrix 1, 0, 0, 1 into A. Now check whether A2, 2 as 1. A2, A11 is not 1 but it is 2. For that we can interchange the rows. R1 double implies R2. R1 double implies R2. See what we will get? First row to second row. Second row to first row. Same operation done here also. 0, 1, 1, 0, A. We got A11 is 1. Now A12 is 0. A21 must be 0. Here to A21 is 0. Multiply first row by 2 and subtract from 2. 2 minus 2, 0. The operation is R2 implies R2 minus 2R1. R2 implies R2 minus 2R1. R2 implies R2 minus R1. There is no change in the first row. R2 minus 2R1. 2 minus 2 into 1, 0. 1 minus 2 into 1. 1 minus 2 into 1. 1 minus 2 minus 1. 1 minus 2 minus 1. R2 minus 2 R1. 1 minus 2 into 0, 1. 0 minus 2 into 1. 0 minus 2 into 1 minus 2. 2 into 1 minus 2. So now we got this 0. Now we have to make this element as 1. This element as 1 plus 1. Now it is minus 1. So R1 implies R2 implies minus 1 R2. R1 implies minus 1 R2. 1, 1 is equal to 58. 1. 0 into minus 1, 0. Minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. 0, 1. 1 into minus 1, minus 1, minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2. Now to make, this got 1, now to make A12 as 0. To make A12 0, we can do the operation R1 implies R1 minus R2. R1 implies R1 minus R2. R1 minus R2. R1 minus R2. 1 minus 0, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Then 0, 1. 0 minus of minus 1 plus 1. 1 minus 2 minus 1. 1 minus 2 minus 1. Then minus 1 minus 1, 2. This is I. This is B. This is A. Therefore A inverse. A inverse is equal to 1 minus 1 minus 1. A1 1 minus 1. Interchange the radial diagonal, change the sign of the other two elements. We got inverse of the matrix. Question number 3. First row 1327. 1327. Right? A is equal to IA. A is equal to IA. 1327. This is A. I, same order, identity matrix into A. We got A11 as 1. So luckily we got A1 as 1. Now A12 as 0. A21 must be 0. To bring A21 0, multiply first row by 2 and subtract from 2. Then the operation is R2 implies R2 minus 2 times R1. R2 implies R2 minus 2 times R1. There is no change in the first row. 1, 3, 1, 0. 2 minus 2 into 1, 2 minus 2, 0. 7 minus 2 into 3, 6, 7 minus 6, 1. 0 minus 2 into 1, minus 2. 0 minus 2 into 1, minus 1. 1 minus 2 into 0, 1. See, now we have to make this. See, got 1 here also. Now we have to change this element as 0. To for that, multiply second row by 3 and subtract from 3. So therefore, R1 implies R1 minus 3R2. R1 implies R1 minus 3R2. Into A. R1 implies R1 minus 3R2. 1 minus 3 into 0, 1. 3 minus 3 into 1, 3 minus 3 into 1, 3 minus 3, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. That put same, 0, 1. Then R1 minus 3, R2. 1 minus 3 into minus 2. 1 minus 3 into minus 2, 1 plus 6. 1 plus 6 is 7. 1 plus 6 is 7. Then 0 minus 3 into 1. R1 minus 3, 0 minus 3 is minus 3. Minus 3. Then minus 2, 1. This is into A. This is I. This is B. This is A. Therefore, A inverse is equal to 7 minus 3 minus 2, 1. 7 minus 3 minus 2, 1. That is the inverse of this matrix. Now question number 4. First row 2, 3, second row 5, 7. First row 2, 3, second row 5, 7. Keep it is A. Then A is equal to IA. A is equal to IA. 2, 3, 5, 7 is equal to I, same order identity matrix 1, 0, 0, 1, A. Check whether there is no 1. 2, 3, 5, 7, no 1 at all. So how to bring 1? We can do one too. We can bring 1 here. How to bring 1 here? See, R2, 5 minus 2 into 2 is equal to 5 minus 4, 1. 5 minus 2 into 5 minus R2 minus 2 into R1 will get 1. R2, 5 minus 2 into R2 is 1. So I will bring 1 here. After bringing 1, I can interchange them. So the operation R2 implies R2 minus 2 times R1. R2 implies R2 minus 2 times R1. 2, 3, 1, 0. 5 minus 2 into 2. 5 minus 2 into 2, 4. 5 minus 4, 1. 7 minus 2 into 3. 7 minus 2 into 3, 6. 7 minus 6, 1. 1, 0. R minus 0 minus 2 into 1, minus 2. 0 minus 2 into 1, minus 2. 1 minus 2 into 0, 1. So you have 3. Now we got 1 here. Now R1 implies, double implies R2. So R1 double implies R2. 1, 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 2, 3. Minus 2, 1, 1, 0. Minus 1, 1, 0. Now we got A to 1 should be 0. To bring A to 1 should be 0, multiply R1 by 2 and subtract from 2. Therefore, R2 implies R2 minus R2 minus 2R1. R2 implies R2 minus 2R1. 1, 1 minus 2, 1. R2 implies 2 minus 2 into 1, 2 minus 2, 0. 3 minus 2 into 1, 3 minus 2, 1. 3 minus 2, 1. 1 minus 2 into 1 minus 2 into minus 2. 1 plus 4, 5. 1 plus 4, 5. 0 minus 2 into 1. 0 minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. Now we have to do, bring this element is 0. For this element, A12 is 0, subtract R1 minus R2 will become 0. R1 implies R1 minus R2. R1 implies R1 minus R2. 1 minus 0, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 0, 1. Minus 2 minus 5, minus 7. 1 minus of minus 2, 3. 5 minus 2. This is I, this is B, this is A. Therefore, A inverse equal to B. A inverse is equal to B. Minus 7, 3, 5, minus 2. Minus 7, 3, minus. Question number 5. Question number 5. A equal to first row. A equal to first row 2, 1. Second row 7, 4. Right? A is equal to IA. A is equal to IA. 2, 1, 7, 4 is equal to 1, 0, 0, 1 into A. Interchange. R1 double implies R2. R1 double implies R2. 7, 4, 2, 1. Here also interchange 0, 1, 1, 0 into A. Why we have to interchange means I have to bring 1 here. To bring 1 here, I multiply second row by 3, 3 into 2, 6, subtract from first row, 7 minus 6, 1. So I will get 1 here. For that only I will interchange. Then here R1 implies R1 minus 3R2. R1 implies R1 minus 3R2. 7 minus 3 into 2, 7 minus 6, 1. 4 minus 3 into 1, 1. 2, 1. 0 minus 3 into 1, minus 3. 1 minus 3 into 0, 1. 1 minus 3 into 0, 1. 1, 0. Now we have to make A21 must be 0. To bring A21 must be 0, multiply first row by 2 and subtract from 2. 2 minus 2, 0. R2 implies R2 minus 2R1. R2 implies R2 minus 2 twice R1. 1, 1 minus 3, 1. There is no change in the first row. 2 minus 2 into 1, 0. 1 minus 2 into 1, minus 1. 1 minus 2 into 1, minus 1. 1 minus 2 into minus 3, 1 plus 6. 1 plus 6 is 7. 0 minus, 1 minus 3 or 0 minus 2 into 1, minus 2. 0 minus 2 into 1 minus 2. Now you have to it is now A22 must be 1. R2 implies minus 1 into R2. 1 1 0 plus 1 minus 1 into 0 0 minus 1 into plus 1 1. And here also minus 3 1 minus 7 into minus 1 minus 7 plus minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2. Now to make this is 0. A1 to 0. R1 implies R1 minus R2. R1 implies R1 minus R2. R1 minus R2, 1 minus 0, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Minus 3, minus of, minus 7. Minus 3 plus 7, 4. 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2, minus 1. Minus 7, 2, 0, 1. This is I, this is B, A. Therefore, A inverse is equal to 4 minus 1 minus 7, 2. 4, 2. So, we have to interchange the 4, 2 and plus. That is the inverse of A inverse is 4 minus 1 minus 7, 2. That is the inverse. Now, we have to go question number 6. Question number 6. First row 2 5 1 3. Second row 1 3. 2 5 1 3. Keep it as A. Then A is equal to I into A. A is equal to I into A. 2 5 1 3 is equal to same order identity matrix 1 0 0 1 into A. Now again previous sum like this we can interchange. R1 double implies R2. 1 3 2 5 equal to 0 1 1 0 into A. Now make A210. To make A210, multiply first row by 2 and subtract from second row. R2 implies R2 minus 2R1. R2 implies R2 minus 2R1. 1 3 0 1. R2 minus 2R1. 2 minus 2 into 1 0. 5 minus 2 into 3 is equal to 5 minus 6 minus 1. 5 minus 6 minus 1. R2 minus 2R1. R2 minus 2R1. 1 minus 2 into 0 1. 0 minus 2 into 1 minus 2. 0 minus 2 into 1 minus 2. Now you have to change. This is minus. It should plus 1 should be there. So R2 implies minus R2. Minus R2 implies minus 1 into R2. R2 implies minus 1 3 1 3 0 into minus 1 0 minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1 0 1. Then minus 1 into 1 minus 1 minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2 plus 2. Now we have to bring this A12 must be 0. First row, second column 0. For that, multiply second row by 3 and subtract from R1. R1 implies R1 minus 3R2. R1 minus 3R2. R1 minus 3R2, 1. R1 minus 3R2, 3 minus 3 into 1, 0. 0, 1. 0 minus 3 into minus 1. R1 minus 3 times R2, minus into plus 3. R1 minus 3 R2, 1 minus 3 into 2, minus 5 minus 1 2. Therefore this is I, this is B, this is A. Therefore A inverse is equal to 3 minus 5 minus 1 2. That is the answer. 3 2 minus 1 minus 5. Question number 7. First row 3 1 5 2. 3 1 5 2. Keep this matrix is A. A is equal to IA. A is equal to IA. 3 1 5 2 is equal to I. Same order identity matrix. 0 1 into A. Now we have to bring A. 1 1 is 1. A 1 1 is 3. But what we should record 1 here. To bring 1 here, what I have to do is multiply first row by 2. 2 into 3 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5 1. Therefore R1 implies 2R1 minus R2. R1 implies 2R1 minus R2. Two into 3 6. 6 minus 5 1. 2R1. 2 into 1 2. 2 minus 2 0. 2 minus 2 0. Then 5 2 2 times R1 2. 2 minus 0 2. 2 minus 0 2. 2 times 0 0. 0 minus 1 minus 1 and 0 0. Now become A11 is 1. Now we have to make A21 as 0. To bring A21 as 0, multiply first row by 5, subtract from the second row. R2 implies R2 minus pi R1. R2 implies R2 minus pi R1. R2 implies R2 minus pi R1. 1 0. There is no change in the first row. Minus 1. 5 minus pi into 1 0. 2 minus pi into 0 2. 2. 0 minus pi into 2 10 minus 10. 0 minus pi into 2. This becomes minus 10. 1 minus pi into minus 1 is equal to 1 plus 5 6. 1 plus 5 6. Now you have to keep A22 must be 1. A22 must be 1 is keeping A22 is 1 is very easy. R2 implies 1 by 2 R2. R2 implies 1 by 2 R2. Left hand side 1 0 0 1. We got the identity matrix. Then 2 minus 1 minus 10 divided by 2 minus 5 6 divided by 2 3. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So this is I, this is B, this is A. Therefore A inverse. First row 2 minus 1 minus 5 3. Minus 5 3. Exercise 3.4, question number 8. Matrix first row 4 5, second row 3 4. You have to find inverse. Right? A is equal to IA. A is equal to IA for performing row transformation. 4 5 3 4. is equal to same order identity matrix into A. Now A11 is 4. We want 1. To find A4 for 1, what I am going to do? Subtracting row 2 from row 1. You will get 1 here. R1 implies R1 minus R2. R1 implies R1 minus R2. 4 minus 3, 1. 5 minus 4, 1. 3, 4. 1 minus 0, 1. 0 minus 1, minus 1. 0, 1. Now I have to bring this A21 as 0. To bring A21 as 0, multiply 1 by 3. Subtract from 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. The operation is R2 implies R2 minus 3R1. R2 implies R2 minus 3R1. There is first row no change. 1 1 1 minus 1. R2 minus 3R1. 3 minus 3 into 1 0. 4 minus 3 into 1 1. 4 minus 3 into 1 1. Then 0 minus 3 into 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3 into minus 1. 1 plus 3 4. 1 plus 3 4. 1 plus 3 4. Now you have to bring this element as 0. This 8 1 2 as 0. To bring A21 as 0, subtract R1 minus R2. You will get 0. R1 implies R1 minus R2. R1 implies R1 minus R2. R1. There is no change in the second row. We will write 0 1 0 1 minus 3 4. R1 minus R2. R1 minus R2 1. 1 minus 0 1. R1 minus R2 1 minus 1 0. We got identity matrix. R1 minus R2 1 minus of minus 3. 1 plus 3 4. Then R1 minus R2 minus 1 minus 4 minus 5. Minus 5. So this is A. So now this is become I. This is matrix B. This is A matrix. Therefore A inverse is equal to this matrix. 4 minus 5 minus 3 4. That's all the answer. Then question number 9. Question number 9. Question number 9. First row 310, second row 27. So A is equal to I into A. A is equal to I into A. A is 310 27. Is equal to same order identity matrix 1 0 0 1 into A. See here A11 is 3. To bring 1. What to bring 1? To bring 1, do the operation R1 implies R1 minus R2. If we subtract 2 from 3, that is 3 minus 2 1. R1 implies R1 minus R2. R1 minus R2. 3 minus 2 1. 10 minus 7 3. 2 7. 1 minus 0 1. 0 minus 1 minus 1 0 0 minus 1. I have to make this A21 as 0. To bring A21 as 0, subtract multiply 1 into 2, 2, 2 minus 2, 0. That is, that operation is R2 implies R2 minus 2 R1. Multiply R1 by 2 or subtract from 2, you get this also. Okay. There is no change in the first row. 1, 3. 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1. R2 minus 2 R1. 2 minus 2 into 1, 0. R2 minus 2 R1. 7 minus 2 into 3, 6. 7 minus 6, 1. R2 minus 2 R1. 0 minus 2 into 1, minus 2. R2 minus 2 R1. 1 minus of 2 into minus 1. 1 minus 2 into minus 1 is equal to 1 plus 2, I get 3. 1 plus 2, I get 3. Now, I have to bring this element is 0. A 1 2 is 0. To bring A 1 2 is 0, multiply 1 by 3, subtract from 3. That is, R1 implies R1 minus 3 R2. R1 implies R1 minus 3 times R2. R1 implies R1 minus 3 times R2. There is no change in the second row. 0, 1 minus 2, 3. Then R1 minus 3 R2. R1 minus 3 times R2 is 1. R1 minus 3 times R2. 3 minus 3 into 1, 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. So we got identity matrix. R1 minus 3 R2. 1 minus 3 into minus 2. 1 plus 6 equal to 7. 7. Then R1 minus 3 R2. R1 minus 3 R2. Minus 1 minus 3 into minus 3 is equal to minus 1 minus 1 minus 9. This is plus 3. R1 minus 3 into 3 minus 3 into 3 minus 9 is equal to minus 10. This is minus 10. So we got this is I is equal to B is equal to A. Therefore, A inverse is equal to B matrix is equal to 7 minus 10 minus 2 3. Exercise 3.4, question number 10. The matrix first row 3 minus 1, second row minus 4 cover 2. To find inverse, I am going to do by column transformation. For column transformation, write A is equal to AI. A equal to AI. 3 minus 1 minus 4, 2 is equal to A, same order identity matrix 1 0 0 1. Here A11 is 3, A12 minus 1. Then to get A11, I first multiply the first column, second column by minus 1. After minus 1, we can interchange the columns. Or C2 implies minus 1 into C2. C2 implies minus 1 into C2. C2 implies, there is no change in first column, 3 minus 4. Minus 1 into C2, minus 1 into 1 plus 1, minus 1 into 2 minus 2. Then here 1 0, minus 0, then minus 1. Minus 1 into 1 minus 1, 0 is 0. Then interchange column 1 to column 2 to column 1, column 1 to column 2. C1 double implies C2. C1 W implies C2. 1 minus 2, 3 minus 4, 0 minus 1, 1 0. Now we got A11 is 1. Now we will put A12 becomes 0. To 1 A12. Sorry, A12 0. To bring A12 0, do by column operation. C2 implies C2 minus 3C1. Multiply by 1 3 and subtract from 3. Therefore, C2 implies C2 minus 3C1. C2 implies C2 minus 3C1. C2 implies C2 minus 3C1. There is no change in the first column. 1 minus 2, 0 minus 1. C3 minus C1. C3 minus 3 into 1, 0. Minus 4 minus C3 minus 3C1 minus 3 into minus 2 is equal to minus 4 plus 6. Minus 4 plus 6, 2. C3 minus C2 minus 3C1. C2 minus 3 into minus 2. Minus 6 plus 6 plus 2. Then C2 minus 3C1. C2 minus 3C1, 1. C2 minus 3C1 minus 1. C2 minus 3C1. 0 minus of 3 into minus 1 plus 3. Plus 3. Then we got 0. Then make this as 1. A22 as 1. To make A22 as 1, C2 implies 1 by 2 C2. C2 implies 1 by 2 C2. 1 by 2 C2. That is 1 minus 2, 0 divided by 2, 0, 2 divided by 2, 1. A into, no change in the first column, 0 minus 1, 1 divided by 2, 1 by 2, 3 divided by 2, 3 by 2. Now we have to make this element is 0. For that, column 1, C1 implies C1 plus 2 times C2. Multiply by 2 and add this becomes 0. So C2 C1, there is no change. This put 1. 1 by 2, 3 by 2. 1 by 2, 3 by 2. C1 plus 2 C2. C1 plus 2 times C2. C1 plus 2 times C2 is 0. C1 plus 2 times C2 1. C1 plus 2 times C2 1. C1 plus 2 times C2 0. C1 plus 2 times C2 0 plus 2 into 1 by 2, so 1. C1 plus 2 times C2 minus 1 plus 2 into 3 by 2, 3 by 2, 2 to cancel, minus 1 plus 3, 2. This is I, this is A, B, therefore A inverse is equal to 1 by 2, 2, 3. The answer. Then question number 11. Question number 11. First row 2 minus 6, 1 minus 2. This is A. Then I am going to do by elementary row operation. For row operation, write A is equal to IA. A is equal to IA. 2 minus 6, 1 minus 2 is equal to same order identity matrix into A. So see, A11 must be 1, but here is 2. So here we got 1. So we can interchange the R1 and R2. R1 W implies R2 is equal to 1 minus 2, 2 minus 6. First row will become second row will become first row. Here are the same operation. 0, 1, 1, 0. Now this should be 0. A21 must be 0. For A21 must be 0, perform the operation. R2 implies R2 minus 2 times R1. R2 minus 2 times R1, this will become 0. There is no change. 1 minus 2, 0, 1. R2 minus 2, 2 minus 2 into 1, 0. Minus 6. R2 minus 2 into minus 2. This will become minus 6 plus 4 minus 2. Minus 2. Then R2 minus 2 R1. R2 minus 2 R2 minus 2 R1. R2 minus 2 R1, 1. R2 minus 2 R1 minus 2. R2 minus 2 R1 is 1. R2 minus 2 R1 is minus 2. Now this should become 0. It will become 1, sorry. A22 must be 1. For A22 must be 1, next operation, R2 implies minus 1 by 2 R2. Minus 1 by 2 R2. R2, there is no change in the first row. 1 minus 2, 0, 1. R2 divided by 2, 0 divided by minus 2, 0. Minus 2 divided by minus 2, 1. 1 divided by minus 2, minus 1 by 2. Minus 2 divided by minus 2, 1. So this element should be A12 must be 0. A12 must be 0. Multiply by R2 2 and subtract R1. It is R1 implies R1 plus 2 times R1. This, that is minus 2 plus 2 into 1. That is 2, 0 to the 0. R1, there is no change in the second row. 1. R1 plus 2 R1 plus R1 plus 2 times R2, 1 only. R1 plus 2 times 2, 1 into 2, 2 plus minus 2, 0. R1 plus 2 R2, 0 plus 2 into minus 1 by 2, so cancel minus 1. R1 1 plus 2 into 1, 2, 1 plus 2, 3. So 3. So this is I, this is B, this is A. So for A inverse is equal to this matrix. Minus 1 by 2, 3,